Hi guys, we have just started learning about the restriction tab in Lifter LMS plugin. So this is my course, Web Development Basic course. If I scroll down, and you can see there is a course in this section, and there are other two. I have closed them. I'll just open the course option section and scroll down. So basically we are provided with 6 options in the restriction tabs, and we are going to learn about the first one, content restricted message. So whatever message you write here will be displayed when a new visitor hover its mouse on the lesson. For example, if I preview it and if I scroll down, silver in color, and see I'm viewing as myself. For example, not for example, I'm viewing as an admin. So in order to view as a complete new visitor, you need to hover your mouse here and then select view as visit. Now scroll down, and if you now hover your mouse, see a message appears, you must enroll this course. If you change this message, you can write here. For example, if I write you must change enroll this course to. If I write 2 and click save, now if I again refresh the page, now if I hover my mouse over it, see, you can see the change. Now it appears 2. So this is it. Thanks.